Hello everyone and welcome to the Advanced CSS complete course. So this is the complete advanced class for those who already have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. So if you don't have, the link is at description. You can follow our HTML and CSS basic and complete course, or if you already know the basic of HTML and CSS, then you can follow this course with a step-by-step guide. Before jumping over to the main point, if you still didn't subscribe this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So as I mentioned before, we are going to talk about the advanced CSS in this course. So for this, we are going to talk about a topic, then we are going to create a simple project or simple design by using that topic. So our today's topic is border radius, which is the advanced topic of CSS. And when we explain everything step by step, then we are going to create a simple logo using the border radius. So let's get started. Border radius is used for changing your border to the round shape. So for this, first let me create a div element, and this one will be round, and here I'm going to add h1, and this one will be, this is a heading 1, and let's save this. Now let's jump over to the CSS, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to target the round, which is the class name, and here I'm going to add border 1, or you can say 2 x solid red, and let's save this. And now when we refresh the page, as you can see, this is the border. You can see these corners. Let me change the width of this border. So the width will be 400 pixel. As you can see, here it is. And let me zoom. As you can see, these corners are not round right now. So when we add the border radius property here, and let's add 5px. So the border radius property can take pixels number, and when we refresh the page, as you can see, the corners change to the round shape. So when we change this 10 to 15, not 51, 15, and let's save this. And when we refresh the page, as you can see, the border corners change to the round shape. So hope you understand until this point. So this is the use of the border radius property. You can not only use this for an element borders, you can also use this for an image border as well. So for this, now let's, as I mentioned before, as I promised, now we are going to create that logo from scratch. And first I'm going to create a div element and class the name and logo, and after this I'm going to create another element, and let me add this into, and let's add the element left. So this one will be the left element, and now I'm going to copy this 4 more times. Here we go. And so the first one is left, the second one is right, and I'm also going to mention the color of this element. So this one will be orange, and now the third one is left, and the color will be purple. The fourth one is circle, and the color is blue. and the last one is left, and the color will be clip gray. And now let's save it. So this is everything that we need in HTML. Now we are going to jump over to the CSS section, and let's remove this. And first I'm going to target the body element, and here I'm going to remove the default margin in padding. So margin 0 and padding will be 0. And after this I'm going to mention the height, which will be 100 VH, and then we are going to add the display flex, so that will be added side by side. And let's add justify content will be not here, justify content center, and align item center as well. And I'm going to mention the background color. So the background color will be this color. And after this I'm going to target the logo. So if I GMA dash logo, and let's add the width. So width will be 200 px, and display flex, and flex grow will be wrap. Excuse me, not grow, it's wrap. Flex wrap will be wrap. When we save this and let's refresh the page, it will show nothing, but only the background color is changed. And now let's add some more changes. We need to add more stuff into our CSS. So after this I'm going to select the element class. So I'm going to target the element class, and let's add the width. So width will be 100 pixel, height is going to be 100 pixel as well, and the background is going to be red. Right, so now when we save this, now let's check. As you can see, this is the, now let me zoom out this. Here we go. This is that we have created until this point. And now I'm going to target the left element. Excuse me, the left, the left class. So border dash top left radius. So it will target this top and left corner. Here you can see this point, and when I add 50 pixel, now let's save this. So when I refresh, as you can see, these corners changed. And now I'm going to target border dash bottom left radius, and this one will be 50 pixel as well. So this one will target the bottom left side, as you can see, this corner. And now the next I'm going to target the right, and here I'm going to again target the border top right. The border top right will be 50 pixel. So the border top right will be this part of the logo. Here you can see. And the next one is the bottom right. Bottom right radius will be 50 pixel as well. So when I save this and when I refresh the page, here you can see the bottom right is. And now I'm going to target the circle, this circle. Here you can see this class name. Let's target the circle, and here I'm going to add the border radius, simple 50 px. And after this I'm going to target the, let's target the clip, and here will be border dash bottom right radius. This one will be 50 as well. And when we refresh the page, it will look like this, as you can see here. And after this I'm going to add the color, and let's target the orange. So orange background color will be this color. After this I'm going to target the purple. So now when we refresh the page, as you can see, this changed, the color is changed. So that's it, everything we need to create such a beautiful logo. And hope you understand until this point the uses of border radius. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. And if you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't understand any point of this video, please leave the comment as well.